I wasn't sure how this would turn out, but look at how awesome this came out. I just engraved this wood and marble Valet tray from Makerflow, and this thing looks absolutely stunning. I'm not only going to show you how I engraved the wood portion, but also how I engraved the marble portion. So make sure you stick around if you want to see the whole thing. So let's head over to the laser so I can show you guys how to get this done. Okay, so I've put my tray in my xTool F1 Ultra laser here, and I'm going to engrave on this wooden part. So let's head over to xTool Studio so that we can get this all set up. So here in xTool Studio, I have a few different designs I've made, and now you can either engrave your design as a vector image, or you can do it as a JPEG, and then you'll have a different set of settings. Normally what I do, if my artwork is in JPEG form, I'll just come up here to trace, and I'll let it do its thing. You can play with the sliders if you want more or less detail. I just kind of leave it on auto, because for what I'm mostly doing, it's fine. And then I can change this to engrave, and then you can see that's kind of what it's going to look like. Let me change the color here. Something might be a little bit dark, so maybe I might go back in and change that one, but that's not the one I want to do for this tray. I think for this I want to do this wolf tray. But let's go ahead and take a image of our background so we can kind of see what we're doing. All right, and now we can see. So my artwork is definitely too big. I wonder if I can maybe stretch out just a little bit. That looks bad. That looks bad. So I'll just try and position it in the center as much as possible. And then actually what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to come over here to this ruler, and we're going to auto measure our material. And so it's just going to get those two dots to overlap each other. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to frame this out. All right, so the framing looks a little low, so let me bring this up a bit. All right, I think that's looking pretty good. So let's hit start. That's going to take just under 9 minutes, so not too bad. So we're back in xTool Studio, and I've switched my laser to the F2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my logo on the marble side. So I'm going to frame it out so that I can get it in the right spot. And we're pretty close. I'm going to just push it up a little bit. All right, that looks amazing. And for the settings, we're going to do power 90, speed 500, lines per centimeters 200. This is the recommended settings given by xTool for a similar type of material. So let's see if it works. 7 seconds, which sounds amazing. And then now I can hit the button. So that actually looks really cool. And so it kind of gives you a gray engraving. An optional step is you can use a porcelain marker or some kind of paint marker to fill in any kind of other color to make it darker, but how cool is that? All right, so now we have a really cool, fully customized Valet tray. I love how elegant this looks with the wood and the marble, and we've put our logo down there. Now, alternatively, if you're selling it, you can put someone's logo on the back, or even your own logo on the back if you're giving this away to someone, so that they can see where they can order more. But there's just so many options for customization between the marble if you have a UV laser or even a fiber laser, and then with the wood section when you have any other kind of laser, or even doing something like the scorch marker or scorch paste, that would also work on this too. So because we've elevated this now, we've turned an $18 product into about a $50 to $55 product. You can get a lot of money for things like this, of where even though the blank is a bit on the cheaper side, once you put artwork on it and customize it, you can get a decent profit out of it. Customization can be a pain in the butt, but it definitely sells, especially for weddings and anniversaries and birthdays. So it's up to you if you think it's worth the headache. This is a great blank idea that you can add to your inventory, whether you're doing wedding stuff, anniversary stuff, birthday stuff. And this is probably pretty good at Christmas time too, because it's just nice and elegant, and it's small, so it's not overly heavy and not overly big. So let me know down below if something like this helped you, or if you have more questions on how you would sell this. I personally am going to start selling these on Facebook Marketplace, because that's where this kind of item would thrive in my area. But the possibilities are endless. feel free to reach out. And if you do want all the settings that I have for all these different products, make sure you join my Facebook group. There'll be a link down below to that. Feel free to check out some other videos that I have about small businesses and lasers, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.